Regardless of what you do in your company, if you develop software, cut people's hair, or manage airport operations, at some point you may need to improve your processes. And we've got a tool for that, Neula. Neula is a low-code platform that allows you to build business applications within a couple of weeks or even hours. The time is really dependent on how much business analysis has to be done beforehand. Let's see what we can do with that. The first step is to create an organization, fill in the form, and click register. Then create employee accounts. Fill in their names, emails, and assign their roles. And ready, quick and simple. Set relationships and organization in order to create teams. Then it's time to create business apps. As an example, let's take a process of fixing a bug in software. This part can be done by us, our partners, or you can create an app yourself. It's so intuitive. Just give it a name and you can start building. First, choose actors. There can be as many as you need. Then define each step in the process. Aside from start and stop, you can choose from filling a form, automatic action, or condition blocks. Just place the blocks representing action that has to be executed by each actor and connect them. This is what the whole process can look like. The case is moved from the reporter to the resolver according to the predefined process you created. After this is done, you need to define the forms with the information that will be requested. You can choose from the text field, checkboxes, buttons, drop-down list, date picker, or attachments. Drag and drop whatever you need. You can adjust the size of each element. Mark what is required and split the form into sections for better visibility. You could even show some elements based on their field values if you like. Once all the forms are done, you just need to save the current version of your process and publish it. We're almost there. In the Instance Management tab, you can assign employees to certain roles. Here, we're going to assign the whole IT team to the resolver's role and the whole company to the reporter's one. Now, final step. Choose the process version, accept it, and click Run Instance. And it's already running. Now let's see how the app looks for each user. This is what Tom, the reporter, sees. Now, once they find a bug, they can report it through a form in Neula. This is the same form we just created in the app builder. The reporter has to fill in the form with all required information and submit it. And this is Kyla's account. She's assigned to the reporter's role. Now she can see the new task Tom just created and assign it to her colleagues or herself. She can see all the info Tom provided and can write what is the solution she applied. The process moves from one person to another according to the predefined process scheme. In the dashboard, you can see all the tasks, change their status, or set priorities. You can also add any custom labels and filter by them if that's what you need. Now let's get to the manager's view. Here you can see the statistics of all the cases of processes in your company. You can also have a look at each case individually. Check the status and the duration. And there's even more. The reports. Neula has this reports creator that allows you to have your data visualized the way you like it. You can just choose the process from which you want to pull the data from. Then pick the format of data visualization, for example, table, chart, or map. Finally, choose the specific info you want to include in the report element. You can include as many charts as you want. They're going to show actual data of every moment of your company operating. Neula also has built-in documents repository. Each document or group of documents can be set to be accessed only by a limited group of employees. There is also version control for each document so that no data is lost. This way, you can have all your process data and documents all in one place. Neula can integrate each process with your internal systems using web services or RESTful APIs. It provides its own REST API as well. Also, you can connect your email box to Neula in order to receive or send emails. You can start a new process every time a new message comes. For example, you can process every invoice that is sent to your company's email box. You can also send emails from Neula. The setup is so easy. Just provide your credentials, authorize employees, and tell Neula which processes can access your email box. Then you can use it in the process. Other than that, Neula can also easily connect with your PostgreSQL, MySQL, Oracle, or Firebird databases. It's a complex tool that allows you to have full overview of what's going on in your organization. No emails, less errors, and all your data stored in one place. So if you want to make your life easier, check us out at neula.co today.